Hello friends, let's crochet a little heart like this one. The pattern is very easy, so let's start. First of all, we make a magic loop and 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and then we make 11 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Pull the thread and we make a slip stitch in the 3rd loop. Then we make 2 chains and a double crochet in the same loop. Then we make 3 triple crochets in the next loop. One, 2, 3. In the next loop, we make 3 triple crochets again. 1, 2, 3. In the next loop, we make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And repeat in the next loop 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. In the next loop, we make 2 double crochets. 1, 2, and 1 triple crochet in the same loop. Then we make 1 chain, and in the next loop we make 1 triple crochet and 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Then we make 3 double crochets in the next loop. 1, 2, 3. Repeat in the next loop 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. In the next loop we make 3 triple crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 3 triple crochets in the next loop. 1, 2, 3. And in the last loop we make a double crochet, two chains and a slip stitch. Pull the thread to the opposite side. Make a chain and cut the thread. Hide the end between the stitches, and our little heart is ready. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.